viewers out there, my name is Bright of Bright Outbox. Today I would like to talk about the process of getting a loan in a bank. In Uganda today, the lending rates range from 18% to as high as 25%. Now, if you're going to get a loan, you will need to find out which bank gives you the best rates you can get your loan at. Now, regardless of which bank gives you the best rate, you need to know that most of the requirements that are needed in the banks are pretty much the same. And in this video, I'll list them down and explain each and every one of them in detail. The number one requirement that banks expect you to have as you approach them to get a loan is a registered security. That can be your motor vehicle logbook or your land title. It's against this that they will give you a loan. Now, they will do what they call evaluation or assessment. Normally, they get a company to evaluate how much or assess how much your motor vehicle is worth or how much your land title is worth. And once they come out with that report and it's sent to the bank will base on that to give you a loan. Now, normally, they give the bank two figures: a market value for your property and a forced sale value in case they want to sell it. So a market value is what they deem as the market value indeed for what they see as the prevailing market value of that property or of that car at that time in that year, and considering the condition in which it is in. Now, the forced sale value is that value that they will have to sell at in case things have gone really bad. That's the minimum. The forced sale value is normally between 15 to 30% less of the market value. So if you had a car of 50 million market value, they would give it a forced sale value of at least 42.5 million. Now, once those two figures are generated in the report, what the bank then will do, depending on its policy, but most banks give not more than 80% of the forced sale value. What does that mean? If you have a forced sale value of 42.5 million, they would give you up to 33.6 million maximum, because that is 80% of 42.5 million. Or if you had a market value of your property at 20 million and the forced sale value is 14 million, they would give you approximately 11.2 million. That is the loan amount that will be facilitated to you. Finally, once you have accepted to take the loan amount that has been agreed upon from the bank, you will need to sign the agreement forms and consent forms, as well as guarantee forms. You would need at least 2 guarantors or 3 guarantors, depending on the policy of the bank. Then you will have to pay, depending on what security you have used. If you have used the motor vehicle, for instance, you would have to pay a number of charges. Those include comprehensive motor vehicle insurance. That is most cases 5% of the motor vehicle market value, and you would have to pay for the caveat fees. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you learned something new. I'll be sharing such content on this channel every week, so like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the other videos.